In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code on Wix in 2025. This is an essential skill for connecting physical world objects or print media with your online presence seamlessly. QR codes are a bridge between offline and online worlds, and being able to integrate them into your website can open up numerous possibilities for interaction with your audience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, make sure you are on the MEQR website where you'll have access to the list of QR codes you've already created. If you don't have any yet, don't worry because we're going to create a new one. Click on the Create New QR option. This will lead you to a selection menu where you can decide what type of QR code you want to create. You might want this QR code to direct customers to your website, a special offer, or perhaps a digital business card. The versatility is virtually endless. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to create a QR code that links to a URL. So select URL link from the options. Once you've done that, paste the URL of the page you want your QR code to direct to. Make sure it's exactly correct because any errors here will lead users to the wrong location. With your URL pasted, the next step is to click on Customize and Download QR. Here you have several options to personalize the QR code to match your brand's style. You can adjust colors, add a logo, and even change the shape of the code blocks. Spend some time here ensuring everything looks cohesive with your existing branding. Once you are satisfied with your customizations, click on Download QR Code. This will save the finished QR code image to your computer. Now you're ready to integrate this QR code into your Wix website. Head over to your Wix site editor. In the editor, navigate to the desired page where you want to add the QR code and click on the plus icon to add a new element. From the menu that appears, choose Upload Images. This will allow you to upload the QR code you just created. Now find the area labelled Drag and Drop Files here. You'll simply drag the QR code image from your computer into this space, and Wix will upload it directly to your site. Position the QR code where you believe it will be most effective in engaging your audience. It might be wise to do some testing on this to ensure optimal user interaction. And that's it, you've created a customized QR code and added it to your Wix site. This simple yet powerful addition can greatly enhance the user experience and provide new avenues for engaging your audience. Remember, QR codes should be easy to find but not disruptive to your site's design. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!